morning without caffeine can ruin your whole day. What? No instant coffee? That's horrible! And there's no time to brew ground coffee? Does this situation look familiar? Use this life hack. Pour some ground coffee in a mug. Pour in cold water and put it in the microwave for 1 minute. All you have to do now is wait. That's the hardest thing for a coffee maniac. And bingo! The coffee's ready! Smells great! Did you buy a lot of food for the party? You can't even hold it in your arms. And where do we put it? We don't even have a table. But we have an idea. Take gray mounting tape. What if you taped a banana to the wall? Why not? This is one of the most fashionable art installations in the world. Tape the rest of the products to the wall too. By the way, this grocery wall is not just food, but also a great decoration for a party. It's time for fun! And now, a modern performance by hungry artists. Are you hungry? Tear the food right off the wall. Come on, help yourselves! Winter and cuffed jeans are not a good combination. But what can you do? Fashion is king! I'm cold just looking at your naked ankles! Brrr! Look, your skin is already red from the frost. I'll take care of them now. You need a scarf. And a pair of scissors. Cut the scarf in 2 pieces. And now cut it lengthwise. Cut off the pom-poms too. To prevent the scarf from fraying, sew over the edge. Collect the ends on the thread. Sew the pom-poms. Now you have 2 cute scarves. Present the accessory to your friend. Just wrap them around your ankles and enjoy the warmth and comfort. Foot scarves look very funny. And, most importantly, you are much warmer this way. A selfie with a dog? Aw, cute! Yeah, if only you could make this crazy fluff ball look at the camera. But how? We know one way. Take a thin slice of bacon. Cut out a small rectangle. Put the meat on the back of the phone. Food! These girls want to feed me? Now the puppy is looking right at the lens. It's perfect! And after the photo shoot, you can feed the model. Eating chips while watching a movie? Yum! But eventually, there starts to be a problem. It gets harder to get them out. My hands are getting stuck and greasy. Ugh! But we have a great life hack for this situation. Take a can of Pepsi and the tube. Cut the lower part of the can just above the bottom. Take a magnet. Hot glue the magnet to the bottom. Place the piece in the jar. Take the second piece of the magnet and you can easily move the bottom inside the jar. Food delivery! The chips came in a metal elevator. Looks like magic! No magic, just physics to help chip lovers. It's hard to do beautiful makeup in bad lighting. And if you have bad eyesight too, the mission is impossible. Yeah, this is not a good result. Don't get upset, we are going to make something. Take a sheet of thick cardboard and put a makeup mirror on it. Go over it with a pencil. Apply a bigger circle. Cut out the ring. And now, you are going to need a pocket LED flashlight. Put it on the ring and trace it with a pencil. Repeat that 4 more times, right up to half the ring. Cut them out along the outlines. Coat them with metallic spray paint. Now, hot glue the mirror and put the flashlights in the holes. Now you have a table mirror with lights. It's so bright! It's like a real makeup pro would use. Juggling is not an easy thing to do. I want to record all my tricks and surprise social media with my new skill. It doesn't look cool from the side. What's with the weird angle? Is this a circus? I'm sure it's because of my cameraman's shaky hands. But there's a solution. Take a paper cup and a scalpel. Cut the bottom. Cut out a strip in the middle. You get a rectangular hole. Now you need a disposable plate and a hot glue gun. Turn the plate upside down and glue the cup to it. A great phone stand is ready! This homemade tripod will help you shoot flawless videos for your Instagram. It's great, right? You can move the plate around the table without messing up the video. This is so much better! A great idea to make your story shine. Want to have a snack? What do we have on the menu today? Bread, avocado. Ah, healthy sandwiches! But what's this? My friend decided to have some deodorant for lunch? Take an empty bottle from deodorant and an avocado. Mash the avocado. Fill the bottle with the green mush. Done! Take off the lid and spread the paste on bread. The sandwich is ready! And to keep the avocado fresh, put the cap back on. It's easy and delicious! Are you going to have tea with your friend? That's a great idea! Ouch! It's too hot! What should we do? There's no time to wait for it to cool down. It's time to go! Although, my friend has some special dishes for this occasion. Take a plastic cup and a suction cup. Put hot glue on the outside of the bottom. Glue the suction cup. Repeat the same with the second cup. It's done! Now attach the cups to the roof of the car. Insert the paper cups with hot tea in them. Start the car. Let's go! The drink will cool down a little on the way. And when you get to your destination, the temperature will be perfect. Getting out of the house and then realizing that you forgot your keys? It's Murphy's Law! And it's bad luck to come back. You have to scream from the top of your lungs to get your friend to drop the keys through the window. By the way, you can have some fun with that. Put the keys in a Ziploc bag and attach it to a bunch of balloons. Your keys will fly right into your hands, and the bright balloons will cheer you up. Isn't that smart? As you know, beauty products run out at the worst possible moment. My favorite foundation! I never expected to be betrayed! What should I do? Run to the store? Don't worry about it. You'll need face lotion and some instant coffee. Squeeze a little lotion into a small container. Pour some coffee on top with a wooden stick. Mix it. The product is ready for use. Homemade foundation! Wow! The main thing is that this perfectly covers the skin and will easily replace the one you can buy. You are going to need a shower loofah and a piece of soap for this life hack. Open the loofah and cut off a piece of soap. Put the soap in the net. Tie it up with a cord. Cut off the extra. Attach a self-adhesive hook to the rim of the toilet. Hang the cord on it and put the soap down the toilet. With each flush, the toilet will be coated in a light soap solution. And keeping it clean is a lot easier. My dear Snacks, why are you so far away? Oh, I hate getting up off the couch. There's a great invention for couch potatoes. You'll need a piece of cardboard, a rubber watch strap, and a plastic container. Cut a circle out of cardboard to the size of the bottom of the bowl. Hot glue the rubber bracelet to it. Then glue the plate to the cardboard. Put the piece on your arm. Your anti-fitness bracelet is ready. Now your delicious snacks are always with you. Very useful! And last but not least, a cozy winter life hack. Don't want to get into a cold bed? How about I iron the sheet with a hot iron? You'll see, after using this life hack, your cold bed will immediately turn into a cozy warm nest. Don't thank me! Did you like our weird life hacks? What idea can you not wait to test? Let us know in the comments! And don't forget to click like, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell to watch more interesting life hacks from Troom Select.